our 4-feet hood. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 48 inches, a height of 24 inches, and a depth of 47.5 inches. Coming to the inside of the hood will be 2 removable grease traps, and each filter will measure 15 3/4 inches in length by 15 3/4 inches in depth. Measurements apply for both grease traps. Located on the bottom center will be an oil pan with the measurements including 4 inches in length, 6 3/4 inches in depth by 4 inches in height. Interior dimensions will include 3.5 inches in length, 6 inches in depth by 3 3/4 inches in height. The oil pan can be removed and snapped back onto the hooks in the inside of the hood. Main bulb and the measurements for the hood interior itself will be 48 inches by 30 inches in height. And located on the top left corner is the NSF certification. This 4-feet hood can be purchased separately or together, along with our exhaust fans that we carried through Cooler Depot. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotusa.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.